You've seen the signs. You've donned the equipment. But are you doing it exactly right? As easy as it can be to cut corners or take shortcuts, in a real wartime situation, those little details can be the difference between life and death. And that's what the ATSO Rodeo is all about. Airmen come from all over OSAN, bring their MOP gear, and learn exactly what to do when using their equipment.
You know, there's a lot of AFIs, there's a lot of AFMANs, a lot of guidance that we have out there, and it's all a little different. There's nothing concrete. So until the folks actually get a chance to come out and do it hands-on, you know, they don't have a clue.
Airmen move from station to station learning things like the basics of first aid, how to use airlocks, and of course, what to do at decon stations, which, as it turns out, is as simple as reading the attached instructions. While the ATSO guide sets guidelines on how these things should be done, sometimes it helps to get some hands-on and in-depth refresher training on how to take care of yourself and the people around you should the need for this ever become a reality. Airman Larry Moore, Osan Air Base, Korea.